Hi everyone, Jeanette here. Today I'm bringing you to this townhouses, this beautiful development in Glen Waverley. It's a affluent suburb. We have project called Floret at Glen Waverley. Look at this beautiful surrounds, and let's go in and have a look. We have the display house open today. Right, this is how the community looks and feel like. Right, let's go in and have a look at Floret's beautiful development, low density and very modern designs. And there is a central playground for those who have kids. It'll be lovely. And yep, I'm here today at Floret Townhouses at Glen Waverley, a prime affluent suburb. Beautiful. This is the central playground, and there's a barbecue area where the community looks into the playground. Very well sought after location at Glen Waverley. We are in the display. It's a 4-bedroom display at Floret. Pretty much sold out, about just 10 units left. And yep, let me bring you in.
When you walk through here, basically this is
like a study area at the front there. And this is your laundry.
And fully open the floor plan.
Yes, yes, yes.
So this is the big sliding door you actually can reopen to one side.
Oh, nice, nice yard. Oh, lovely. So nice. Oh my God. So nice. Look at the clouds. And it's so quiet. 80 square meter for this 4-bedroom townhouse backyard. And the price for this would be 1.585, and the 3 bedrooms we still have some availability, and it starts from
3 bedrooms start from just over 1 million.
Just over 1 million.
We also have a 3-story 4 bedrooms, so the price will be at around 1.3, 1.4, depends on the size.
Lots of storage, as you can see, and I love the very warm color. And let's have a look at the appliances. We have Bosch appliances.
Yeah, Bosch, and this we still can use gas, which is easy to clean for type of cooktop.
That's right.
And you have the oven side
and the dishwasher on the side. Yes, fantastic.
And you can see the details.
Yes, these are like real stone splashback. Nice.
You got the 2-size door.
You can put in quite a very good size fridge. Yeah.
And all the cabinets is the floor to ceiling height.
Yes, yes.
Built-in cabinets as well.
You don't have to do anything. It's all built in. Yes. That's the entry where you can put your study or maybe even a piano. Let's see. Yes, you can put a piano here. Right. This is the powder room and the laundry. Let's have a look at the laundry cupboard, properly shelved. This is your garage.
Double garage.
It's a double garage for a 4-bedroom.
Storage space as well.
Yes, storage space as well. Yeah. Let's go upstairs.
Let's go upstairs, have a look.
And this is timber flooring that we have.
That's right. We also got the step lighting.
Beautiful.
For this second level.
There's a retreat.
Yeah,
Nice.
it's a retreat, and it's a north-facing retreat. You always get the sun.
Very
this
nice.
side.
So sizable, the retreat.
And so bedroom room is separate by this retreat.
Yes.
On the left side corner is the master bedroom.
This is the master bedroom. So very private, lots of wardrobe space. Oops. I like the color, the theme of the bathroom. And we have aircon fit in already. Very sizable master bedroom. Let's have a look at the other. Okay, there is another wardrobe, not wardrobe, like storage. Oh, very nice. You can put your throw blankets, pillows, books, whatever.
So this corner you have 3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms sharing.
1 bathroom.
Right.
In bathroom comes with the bathtub.
Oh, let's have a look.
And shower separate.
Oh, very good. Very nice. Ah, yes. All the other townhouses have similar fittings and lightings, similar.
Different colors.
Different colors. Let's have a look at this second bedroom or two-door wardrobe.
Look at the windows. The whole this side of the wall is windows.
So nice. I can live here. Okay, let's see. Okay, nice. And this is the other bedroom. The bedrooms are very good size. After you put the side table, you still have a lot of walking space. Yes, all fitted with air conditioner as well as the heater. Yes, also two-door wardrobe. And this is like a study. Or you can put a...
Actually, it's a bedroom.
Yeah.
So you have a wardrobe building as well. Can be the kids' bedroom.
You can put actually a queen-size bed. Very sizable.
So we decorate as a study room. Depends on the functions.
This unit is 1.585. Very good value in today's market. Brought to you by Jeanette, Unified Partners. See you soon. We are going to see another display, different color scheme. And this is a three-story. Earlier we saw a two-story. Yep. Let's go in. Right. This would be a bedroom at the ground floor. Beautiful.
It's a north facing, so you can see the sun.
Yes, north facing. Beautiful.
And at this floor, you have a full shower and a toilet.
Oh, nice. Gold color.
Easy access for
For
the
the
guests.
guests.
Also for the people who stay.
Correct. Even for granny, it's good to have a bedroom here and access to shower, bathroom, and we have the car park. It's a two-car car park, tandem parking. Beautiful. I like the gold trimmings.
This one is gold and the muted green. So muted green currently is sort of like the trend
Oh,
for the modern design.
this is more modern than earlier one we saw. Is very traditional, which is very nice too. Hey, wow. Yes, it's very modern. Very different. Oh,
Because it's exactly same size the kitchen as the double story we saw. It's just a different color scheme. All the plants is still Bosch.
it's still Bosch. Yes, the appliances remains the same. The splashback. Very
The plant is storage.
absolutely.
And this one has like a little design. It's really popular now.
This is very different from what I have, and I like it. There's a handle.
The handle
Because sometimes it gets quite stuck.
Yeah.
Frankie, yes.
We also provide the wine racks. This is size onto the island. Additional storage here.
Oh yes, very clever. And you already got your wine rack here.
That's right.
Oh, beautiful.
And then it's more so you can see the lights.
Oh, this is
like around
so
the
nice.
two.
An evening, relax with a glass of wine. Beautiful.
All the glass are double glazed.
Mm.
So keep the warm.
Keep the warmth inside, and also when it's heat, it's also cooler inside. Let's go up the next level.
Floor, you will have 3 bedrooms, 1 master bedroom plus 2 guest bedrooms.
Right, yes. So this is
This
the
is
guest bedroom.
north facing. That's the big window as well. This guest bedroom actually quite big.
Oh yes, there is like a corner over there. You can
You
put.
have additional.
Oh,
You actually can put your
study table.
makeup table.
Yes, correct.
A little relaxing corner.
Two-door wardrobe.
Yes.
Yes, very nice.
Come with bathtub as well.
See that?
This is the master bedroom.
Oh, very big.
Very big and very bright.
This one we have 3 bathrooms actually. But this one is, you've got your closet space, and this is the master ensuite bathroom.
It is quite like general size as well.
Yes, it is.
Really comfortable here.
Yes.
And also you have a master bedroom come with additional storage.
And this is 1.36.
This is a 1.36.
That's good.
Yeah.
Let's get this. Let's get this. Very nice. This one is another color scheme. It's the black, white, modern color scheme. And similarly, we have the bedroom downstairs, the guest bedroom with the full shower. And this is your access to the garage. Let's go up. Right. Oh, this is nice. It's a black, white theme. Very modern. Oh, they have actually this built in, this display. Bosch. I like this. Right, this is a corner unit, so you get more light. Right. And the balcony, yes, all facing. And you will put your TV here, your sofa here, and dining this area. Very nice. Let's go.
Well, same 3 bedrooms. Difference because it's corner one, so the bathroom has a window.
Yep. This is one of the guest bedroom, unfurnished, and
this one is guest bedroom as well.
yes, guest bedroom second. Oh, this one is the one that has got like the study corner, big window. Yes.
So that's just black white, very different.
Oh, yes.
This comes with the window as well.
Oh, yes.
This is the master bedroom.
3 bathrooms. Perfect.
And it's beautiful glass in the master bedroom.
It's very big master bedroom.
The whole side of the wall is glass.
This one is a large wardrobe, so you can put your headboard over here. Very nice. I love it. This is the black white theme